So I guess how would the Toltec wisdom bring everyone together, all the shamans?
That is a beautiful question. I think that can be answered in so many different ways. And the way I'm going to use my personal experience right here as an immigrant and as being from a different country. Um, so many people are trying to say like this is the way we have to act like this, we have to look in certain way, and we have to have these belief systems. We need to be Christian, we need to be this, we need to be the other, and that brings only one thing, you know, where it is pain and a lot of destruction. We cannot just be in, you know, one way of thinking, one way of approaching life. We need to embrace our diversity, embrace our uniqueness, and that's what makes us strong. You know, it's we have to do a lot of healing and respect that we all have different abilities, unique abilities. Your abilities as a human being, no one else has, and that's what makes you powerful. You cannot be like me or like anybody else because you are this beautiful human being in the whole universe. So you are a gift to us, and so on. Everyone becomes a gift in the universe. To remind everyone that instead of fighting to say you're wrong, you are this, you're the other, you are a witch, you are santero, you are a bad healer, you're a bad shaman, you shouldn't do that. Instead of doing that, come together and bring to the table what you have to offer to the world and make each other stronger because the world needs you now more than ever. We shouldn't be destroying each other right now at this moment because the whole world is going through a big change, and if we're not there for this world, we're gonna failure humankind as we had in the past.
Mm-hmm.